Hi, my name is Lisa Mangaldas and I play Sandy in the film W. Sandy is the sort of woman who is relentless in overcoming any obstacle that comes her way. She's the woman I've always wanted to be, and I feel really privileged to be playing this strong character in the film. And I really hope she's an inspiration to women all over the world, because I really think that we deserve to, and we must believe in ourselves that it's possible for us to live exactly the way we want to, and Sandy lives on her terms. So happy Women's Day, and I hope that you'll all be inspired by the character I play.
I'm Leslie, and I want to wish all the women out there a happy Women's Day. It's a matter of pride for me to have been part of W. I play Ruhi. Ruhi is the girl next door. Could be any woman in India. So the trials and tribulations that she goes through for being a woman in India. So that's a journey in W. I quite relate to her journey. I would say cheers to womanhood and women who are getting independent, getting freedom out there. Cheers.
Hi, मेरा नाम सोनल है. I am playing the character of Manu in the film W. My character happens to also be gay in this film. W जो film है, उसकी each and every line, each and every sentence is in some way related to the empowerment of women. So on this happy occasion of Women's Day, I would like to tell all the people that please stand up against any gender injustice. And if you find in your office spaces or in any other spaces that people are looking down upon women or think that they are not good enough, please stand up against this. And at the same time, let us all look at creating safer situations for women. That's all I would like to say. Thanks a lot. Happy Women's Day.
Hi everyone, I am part of Team W and my name is Raj Arora. I am playing the character of Abhay in the movie W. On the occasion of Women's Day, I just wish to say something to all the people, especially men of our nation, that let's start a change from an individual level. Let's start respecting, let's start loving, let's start admiring, and let's start caring about women which are around us. Happy Women's Day.
Hi, my name is Danish. I am playing the character of Dhruv in the movie W. Trust me, a woman is actually the most unavoidable, precious, and the most beautiful living being on this planet. They shouldn't be dominated, exploited, or hampered in any way. If you know any special woman, trust me, go on saying that how phenomenal she is. And for me, every woman around me is phenomenal. So I just leave no stone unturned saying that she is the most beautiful thing happening on this planet. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Abhijit Attri. I'm basically from Patiala, Punjab, and I'm playing one of the main leads in W. Actually, I have 6 sisters, but I can feel how they feel. They Punjab च रहंदियां ने, किड़ियां कुछ दिल्ली च रहंदियां ने. It's very hard for them to wear clothes what they want. It's very hard for them to go out for party or something like that, because जे कोई कुड़ी ज़्यादा गल करे तो वो चालू हो जाती है, जे वो घट गल करे तो डम हो जाती है. I think girls have lots and lots of pressure on them because of the society, and our movie is going to change all this. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tarun Chopra and I am the director of W. What I'd like to say is that it's very sad that we live in a country where some men don't respect women. So my message goes out to the women of India, and what I'd like to say to them is that come out, be your own. You don't need to be afraid. You have a right to live as you want. This is how the constitution of this country has defined for you. You can be what you want. Dr. Ambedkar is there behind you. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.
Hi, I'm Dabu Malik and I'm very proud that I'm part of Team W. Just making music for this film has been a great high for me, and I got an opportunity to work with my friend Tarun Chopra. And since it's a topic which is very close to my heart, because I've always lived in a fantasy that a woman can fight back. W is that film about a woman giving it back. And I'm just waiting for the day when it hits the screens and I'm able to watch this dream of mine being a reality. World Women's Day, 8th March. I wish everybody, all the women out there, I just want to say Team W is coming to support the cause.
I am Subhash Sehgal. I am the producer of the film called The W. I consider myself very fortunate that I am associated with a movie which covers all the women dignity, women safety, and women power to fight back. At this occasion of the World Women Day, I want to convey our women, you please don't get worried. Be yourself, come out, be equal to the men, and fight back if somebody tries to intervene in your spirit or intervene your privacy. I wish all of you to fight this cause successfully in future. All the best.
Hi, this is Arman, and I wish all the women a very happy World Women's Day and a great success to Team W.
Happy Women's Day from Team W!